Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. Let's see what we got. Spyderco Subvert. Cool pivot there. Nice carbon fiber. It's nice and it's not smooth. It's got a little grip. See the lines there. Gives it some texture. Been checking this thing out and just went for it. Very cool design. Boom. Big beefy blade on this guy. Really like the grind. Satin grind lines. It's really cool. Definitely plenty of handle there to get a good grip on. Feels good to me. Thick titanium frame. Some carbon fiber on it. Really cool. Got some sprint run info here. It's designed by Natty Amore. Look him up on Instagram. You'll see a lot of his blades. Real tall blade designs. It's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, just wanted to have a quick little look at it. Probably do another video on this sooner or later. Shout out Michael Morgan for the kind of inspired the beginning of this for the unboxing. I didn't come up with a horse, but made it work with something else. Anyway, there it is, the Subvert. Cuts cardboard just fine. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.